In today's video, I'm going to show you a method that could fix your screen if your touchscreen isn't working. So me personally, I had a problem with my touchscreen and what I had to do is simply head over to the settings. Once you open up settings, you will need to click on the display tab right there near the middle. And then once you do that, you need to scroll down until you find an option for touch sensitivity. And as you can see here, there is accidental touch protection and then touch sensitivity. So what this is increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. So what I did is I had a little problem where the sensitivity and the touchscreen wasn't working as it was supposed to, and all I needed to do to fix the problem was to enable this option right here. And then once you enable this option here, what this means is that it won't require you to touch the screen as hard. So hopefully this helps fix your problem, because this is what worked for me. So if this video did help you out guys, please remember to leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.